So 4 years after the first HoloLens was released, we have the HoloLens 2 just being announced, and it looks a pretty impressive piece of kit. And apparently it supports double the field of view, which boosts the resolution, making the experience much more immersive than the Magic Leap 1's headset. At the recent conference they demoed the Micro Lens 2, and while it still looked impressive, and it does look a very impressive piece of kit and I'd love to get my hands on one, the audience response wasn't quite as wowed as it was the first time, especially after the Minecraft demo 4 years ago, which was really impressive, where they made Minecraft appear on the table and you could actually see the application for game users in that demo. Now when you're looking at these trailers, I think people come to realise that the experience they're showing on screen is what they expect it to be like in the future, but I do not believe that this is how the HoloLens will be representing holograms at the moment. I think we've come to expect that when we see game demos not living up to the in-game graphics. It's a hype demo essentially. Not to say their recent live demonstration didn't have some fantastic key points as well. And there's definite improvements in the hand gesturing and actually how you interact with your hands and the holograms as well. You're able to grab them now and move them around a lot better. Microsoft's aim is to create a more immersive experience than the first HoloLens, and they're going to be doubling the field of view, taking it from a 720p resolution to a 2K resolution. It's also going to have eye tracking, and they're going to give it a flip-up visor, more like the PlayStation VR. And it's powered by the Snapdragon 850, along with a holographic processing unit. Now the bad news is it is only available to enterprise and business users at $3,500, but that is a dip in the price from the original HoloLens. I for one am personally really interested to get my hands on a working consumer model, but how long it's going to be is still up for debate as there's no release date in sight yet. Anyway, it's to be released later this year. I'd love to know your opinions on it and maybe what you would expect from the consumer model, what sort of features you'd be looking for and what sort of apps you'd be interested in playing. And if you'd like more news about technology, remember to subscribe to the channel.